Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change meeting roles in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Open your Teams calendar and click on the meeting you want to manage. In this example I'm opening the Meets PEM meeting, and its details dialog appears on screen. Click the Edit button, then a drop-down appears with Edit Occurrence and Edit Series. Click Edit Series to change the settings for all future meetings in this series, and the Meeting Series Edit screen loads. Click the Advanced Options button at the bottom of the Edit screen, and the Meeting Options dialog opens. Scroll down to the Who Can Present drop-down and click it. You'll see options including Everyone and Only Me. For this example, I'm selecting Only Me, which means only the organizer can present, unmute others, or share content. Click Apply to save the change. You'll see a saving status appear on the button. Once it's saved, the Meeting Options dialog closes automatically and you're back at the Meeting Edit screen. The Who Can Present setting also controls who can unmute other participants and share their screen, so choosing Only Me gives you full control over the meeting. If you need to change someone's role during a live meeting, open the Participants panel, hover over their name and click the three dots to find Make a Presenter or Make an Attendee. You can change these settings at any time by going back into the meeting options the same way. The changes apply to all future occurrences of the series, and that's how to change meeting roles in Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.